Welcome back to Automobilique Car, where today we're diving into the much anticipated 2025 Isuzu Trooper, focusing solely on its bold and rugged exterior. An iconic design that's set to make waves in the SUV market, let's explore how the Trooper blends heritage with modern flair. The front of the 2025 Isuzu Trooper commands attention, highlighted by a reimagined grille with strong angular lines. The bold Isuzu logo takes center stage, surrounded by sharp LED headlights that offer both performance and style. The grille's design not only enhances its aggressive look, but also improves aerodynamics, giving it a more efficient airflow over the body. From the side, the Trooper reveals its muscular presence. With flared wheel arches that accentuate its robust build, this SUV sits on large, high-performance wheels, designed to take on both urban roads and off-road trails. The sculpted body lines that run along the sides emphasize its solid and rugged frame, highlighting the Trooper's ability to handle any terrain with ease. At the rear, the 2025 Trooper showcases a sleek yet functional design with a bold tailgate that integrates modern LED tail lights. These lights not only offer a distinctive look but also improve visibility, making the Trooper safer on the road. The rear bumper has been designed for durability, capable of withstanding rough off-road conditions while maintaining its stylish appeal. One standout feature of the Trooper's exterior is the versatile roof, equipped with sturdy roof rails that offer additional utility, perfect for carrying extra gear on your outdoor adventures, whether it's bikes, kayaks, or camping equipment. The roof design ensures that the Trooper is as practical as it is rugged. The Trooper's exterior design isn't just about looks, it's engineered for performance, with reinforced underbody protection and a high ground clearance that allows it to tackle tough off-road obstacles without breaking a sweat. Every curve, angle, and line on this SUV is a testament to its purpose. Built for adventure, the 2025 Isuzu Trooper is a perfect blend of rugged durability and modern styling, offering an exterior design that promises to turn heads wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising down the highway or heading off the beaten path, this is an SUV built for those who demand both performance and style. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the exterior of the 2025 Isuzu Trooper. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new model. Thanks for watching Automobilique Car, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews.